In primetime news tonight, opposition turns up the pressure for independent audit into sale of beach property and now wants responsible minister to step aside.
It is not proper for a minister to be involved in negotiations for the sale of UDC assets.
Single mother of 7 gets help from Good Samaritans, and alleged rogue cop surrenders.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, the World Bank says the government needs to take a new look at its regulatory guidelines. They said this is critical to maintaining the economic progress that we have been making. I'll tell you about that and other stories in the Business Day.
And from Herman to Jordan Fort at the sports desk with a sense of what's happening in sports.
Yes, Archie. Well, another physical education teacher is before the courts on an alleged case of physical abuse. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your reaction to suggestions that child killers should be given harsher sentences?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.